I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use keyframes in Premiere Pro. Keyframes are essential tools for bringing your video projects to life, allowing you to animate various properties over time. Think of them as markers that tell Premiere Pro exactly when and how a visual or audio element should change. We'll cover everything from setting your first keyframe to refining complex animations, giving you full control over your creative vision. Let's start by animating a clip's position and scale. First, select your clip in the timeline and navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Locate the Position and Scale properties under Motion. Click the small stopwatch icon next to each property to activate keyframing. Now, move your playhead to a new point in time, adjust the values, and Premiere Pro will automatically create a new keyframe, smoothly transitioning between the 2 points. Beyond position and scale, keyframes are incredibly powerful for controlling opacity and rotation. In the Effect Controls panel, find the Opacity property to make your clips gradually appear or disappear. Simply set a keyframe at 100% opacity, move forward, and set another at 0% for a smooth fade out. Similarly, animate the Rotation property to add dynamic spins or subtle tilts, enhancing your visual storytelling with precise control. To truly master keyframes, understanding interpolation is key. Right-click on any keyframe to explore options like Linear for direct, sharp changes, or Bezier for much smoother, more organic transitions. Bezier interpolation provides handles that you can drag to fine-tune the acceleration and deceleration of your animation, giving you incredibly precise control over the speed and flow. Experiment with these settings to achieve professional-looking, polished motion graphics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.